Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can download and install ADB and Fastboot drivers in Windows 11. To get started, simply open your browser and search for ADB and Fastboot drivers. From the search results, go to the specific GitHub webpage. Now under Releases, click on this option. And from here, click on the latest ADB installer.bat and download it. Once the file downloads, simply right click over it and run it as administrator. Click on yes from here. And now wait for the drivers to get downloaded and installed. That's it, the driver is now successfully installed. Now close this window. Now take your mobile to Fastboot mode, pressing the volume key and power button key. Then search for CMD, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now here, search with Fastboot space devices and hit enter. It will show you some alphanumeric characters, that means your mobile is now successfully connected. So thanks for watching, please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if I found the content helpful. Thank you.